Selecting the best water purifier for the family can be a difficult decision, and it becomes more complex when we don't have sufficient knowledge. Let's take a look at the best 5 water purifiers available on the market. At number 5, we have the Kent Supreme. Use the Kent Supreme water purifier to ensure that your family gets clean, safe, and healthy drinking water. As it can be mounted on a wall, it doesn't take up any valuable storage space in an already crowded kitchen. It sorts the water into 2 9-liter tanks, one for pure water and one for impure water. While you can safely drink the pure water, the impure water can be used for cleaning the kitchen or washing dishes. The 4th pick on our list today is the Aquaguard Genius. The Aquaguard Genius is a universal water purifier which senses the quality of water and chooses the optimum purification technology. RO plus UV UF plus UV to purify water. Its unique Taste Guard technology senses and adjusts to different sources of water automatically, using multi-stage purification processes to give you the same tasting, pure and safe water, always. The 3rd product on the list is the Pureit Ultima. This advanced water purifier can clear 10 million germs from 1 liter of water as the water passes through various treatments like UV and RO to assure the safest drinking water for you and your family. It has various features like the neon flash belt that lights up whenever the water purifier is used. Also, the TDS modulator improves the taste of your drinking water. The 2 concentric circles on the digital display panel show the ongoing consumption of the germ kill kit. The Kent Pearl bags the 2nd position on our list. Kent's patented mineral ROTM technology provides double purification of RO plus UV plus UF, which removes even dissolved impurities such as chemicals and salts. The TDS controller maintains essential natural minerals, thereby providing 100% pure, safe, and tasty drinking water, which is ideal for consumption. Kent's Save Water technology employs a computer-controlled process that recovers more than 50% water as purified water. And the top product on the list today at number 1 is the Kent Grand Plus. The most trusted and largest selling RO water purifier with a transparent design that shows off Kent's patented mineral RO technology and an inbuilt TDS controller. Best suited for Indian homes and offices and suitable for purification of brackish, tap water, municipal corporation water supply. The double purification of RO plus UV UF removes even dissolved impurities such as chemicals, bacteria, viruses, and salts, making your water 100% pure. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments with us. And if you liked our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day.